Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming for you a simple, sweet, and easy Valentine's Day look. It is effortless and very minimal. If you would like to see how I did this look, please continue watching. Alright, so my base is already set. I have foundation and concealer on and a little bit of contouring. And obviously my eyebrows are on. I have primer on my eyelids and my base is set and I am ready for eyeshadow. So I am going to be using the Balm Voyage palette by The Balm. I love this palette so much. All of the eyeshadows are extremely easy to blend and I love the color palette. And I am going to be using the soft pink tones from this. And using a large fluffy brush, I am going to be putting this brown color into my crease. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. I'm then going to use my finger and I'm going to go into this pink shade right here and I'm just going to put that on my lid. It's a really soft color. I'm going to go back into the transition shade and just blend that out. I'm then going to put on some eyeliner. And then for the highlight on my brow bone, I'm going to go in with the highlighter in this palette, and I'm just going to go right under my brow bone. For my inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to use my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. And I'm going to get a small packing brush wet with some fixing spray, and I'm going to go right in and pack that on my inner corner. Just for a pop of color. So I'm going to take my pencil brush and just go into that transition shade and put that right under my lid. My lower lash line, and I'm going to smoke that out. I'm also going to take that pink shade and do the same thing. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party, and just go lightly on the apples of my cheeks. For my face highlight, I'm also going to go in with the Luminizer from the Balm palette. Just gonna put that right on my cheekbones. and blend that up. I swear the balm does like the best highlighters ever. And then I'm going to set that with my NYX setting spray. Now I'm just going to finish up with some mascara. And then for my lips, I'm going to be mixing two shades. The NYX Lingerie lipstick in Satin Ribbon, and the Tardiest Lip Paint. Oh my god. Okay. The lip paints never have names on them, so I have no idea which shade this is. But I'm going to be mixing these two right here. And then you could totally stop here, but personally, because this look was so simple, I am going to be going in with falsies. I guess you can see that does make quite a difference. My other eye kind of just looks bald now. I always hate wearing falsies until I wear them again, and I'm like, wow, I've been missing out on so much. And then as soon as I take them off, I'm like, I hate falsies again. They're just so much extra work. I am just going to blend my natural lashes and the falsies by putting on a little mascara. Okay, and this is the finished look. It is super simple, super easy. I got it done so quickly. This is the perfect look if you want to do something special, but you are maybe a beginner at makeup or you just don't have that much time. I think this is the perfect look, and it is super sweet and simple. So that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you liked this video and you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye!